Christmas has arrived, thanks to CPP. So we've got lots of CPP stuff here. Classic Performance Products. And there's our frame for the old, all blasted and painted, for the Suburban. Anyway, so it's time to start putting that together. Time to start putting stuff in. Fuel cell goes in the back. Sway bar thicker than normal. We're building this up as a 3/4 ton. Everything's 3/4 ton he's putting in here because his plan is, the owner of this is the same owner that owns the 72 Buick, which I'm about to go show you. So his plan is, the Buick is kind of a street car, race car, so he's going to tow the Buick behind this truck on a trailer. So a 69 GMC Suburban, which is kind of rare GMC, towing a 72 Buick with a 1,000 horsepower engine. That's what it's going to have. It's streetable. So that's what's going on there. So we'll go over and we'll see that. I've been working away on Kathy's truck a bit here today, here and there. Just doing little bits to it. Take a look at that first while we're outside here. Oh no, we'll go over and see Sean. Now, Sean was working on the Mercedes here for a bit today. We just pulled it back outside. So this is the final block as it leaves for paint tomorrow. That's it. Heading off to paint. So Sean's giving it the good once over. Make sure everything's good. And then, like I say, he's working on some Mercedes stuff here. It's a hood for the Mercedes. Working on some pieces for that. So yeah, looking good. Well, that is what's happening there. Alright. Another one bites the dust. That's it. Another one gone. And over here, actually it was on the Pontiac for a little bit too. I took a look under there and checked all the hoses, the belts, all that kind of stuff. Went through, came up with a little list of stuff I got to order up from Lordco tomorrow. So deal with that. Kathy's truck, here we go, got the engine in there, and the transmission in place, got the exhaust manifolds on it, put the pulley on it for now. I'm going to be putting the alternator on it here pretty quick. Got my spark plugs waiting there, got my distributor cap on, so I'm just putting stuff together on that, and that's what I'm working on. So I'm playing with that, and Sean's playing with the car, and Mike's working on the frame, and then of course you all remember, I think I showed you this, the Firebird, you know. Worked on this all last week. Probably not going to get back on it this week, I don't think. But we're ahead of the game. We're doing good. It's coming along really good. We're happy with that. Usually everybody knows how it works here. Usually how it works is I work on one customer car. Like Sean will work on one customer for a week. Mike will work on one for a week. And I'll work on one for a week. And then we'll put those under carport bays here. And then we'll bring another different customer car in and we'll each pick a different one to work on. So actually 6 cars in a 2-week period are getting worked on, and everybody gets a little bit of a payday every second Friday, and it breaks it up for some people. Because some people, you can do a car and say it needs 80 hours worth of work. You do it in 2 weeks because that's 80 hours, and they say, well, God, I can't afford 80 hours in 2 weeks. So when you kind of break it up like that, it makes it a lot easier for them. 80 hours now becomes taking over 4 weeks, and it just makes it easier for people to pay. So that's what's going on. We'll get back in here and we'll see what's happening. Okay, I'll show you. So he's continuing on with the frame here. There's the tank. Got the new tubular trailing arms in the back, along with the sway bar, new coils. Control arms are going in. Looking good. Of course, we're using all new bolts and stuff like that. There's the lower control arms. Lots of parts here. Lots of parts. So it's going together slowly. Dig it all out, just like Christmas time, like we say. Opening up the boxes. This is always the fun, satisfying part. You know, you got all new parts and you just lay them out and you just slowly bolt them together and you pray to God that everything lines up and goes together like it should. So far so good. Oh, put this lock door down here. There we go. And of course I'm still plugging away over here at Kathy's truck, doing a little bit. Just had to stop for a minute filming there for you guys because I had to do some stuff with the Buick. Had to get it ready to get over to the paint booth. So we'll be doing a video on that. You'll be getting to see that. Now somebody said, "Hey, I'd like to see you in there. I'd like to see your painter. I'd like to, you know, film while he's in there painting." Well, I'm not standing in there filming while he's painting. But anyway, so here I got a little more done on her truck. I'm just plugging away too. I got there's the valve covers. They're all on there. Got all the plugs in it. Got the set of wires on that side. Just got to put the wires on this side real quick. Got the dipstick in the engine. It's looking good. Look at that. Looking real good. Wow. Gonna be pretty sweet. Gonna be a fun ride when it's all done. Anyway, so that's what's going on at the moment. So I think with that being said, there's not much more to show you here. We'll get a video up. Hopefully in the next day or two, the Buick. I'll paint it up. Stay tuned. Watch for pictures of that. And that's about all I got to say here today at the Old Time Garage Shop. So hey, except for, you know it, it's always a good time at Old Time. Or at least, that's what I tell myself. See you later.